Hello, Click Designers. This tutorial is going to show you how to master Shopify template posts with the help of ClickDesigns stores. So after you've logged into your account and are on your dashboard, you want to go to the template section. From here, you can use the arrow button to go to stores. Then here, choose Shopify. On ClickDesigns, you have templates for a storefront hero image, templates for a product page image, templates for a product listing, templates for a product thumbnail, and finally, templates for a Shopify banner. I'm going to go ahead and go back to product thumbnail and work with a template from that. You can preview a template by clicking on this icon over here, and to edit any design, simply click on Use Template. I'm going to go ahead and replace this main image. So I'm going to go to the Media tab. Here you can search for any image to add onto your design. You can also go to the Uploads tab and upload or drag and drop your own image. Once I have that image on, I'm going to remove this vector and I'm going to take this text and move it over here up top. Then I'm going to select this text box again and using the drop-down menu, search for a font that I like. I'm going to use this icon over here to adjust the line and letter spacing. Then I'm going to use this icon over here to adjust the color of my text. Once I'm happy with my text, I'm going to add in some additional elements. I'm going to go to the Doodles category and add these onto my canvas. To recolor an element, simply select and underneath Edit Color, use the color wheel and color slider to adjust like so. And as a finishing touch, I'm going to add texture onto my Shopify design. You can do this by either going to the Elements tab or the Media tab. I'm going to go here and then searching for a texture on the search bar. I'm then going to add that texture onto my canvas. Then, once I have my texture covered over my entire design, I'm going to go to the opacity button over here and lower the transparency. Then once I'm happy with that, underneath layers, I'm going to take the layer of that texture and drag it behind the rest of my elements. I want to make sure that the texture only covers the image, but that the rest of the elements, including the text, are sitting over top of my texture. Once I am happy with that, I'm going to click on Save. You can also directly download your design by clicking on Download. You can add a file name, choose a file type, the number of pages, the DPI, the quality, and if you'd like to add it to a folder or add a watermark. When you go back to your ClickDesigns dashboard, you can actually find your Shopify template post underneath your most recent designs. Here you can preview your design, and then you can also go back to the ClickDesigns editor to make any additional changes. So that is it. That is everything that you need to know when it comes to mastering Shopify template posts with the help of ClickDesigns stores. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.